Today we are working on the Suzuki Cappuccino. We're replacing the timing belt, water pump, tensioner, valve cover gaskets, a few other gaskets, a whole bunch of vacuum lines that are cracked and broken. I didn't film any of the taking the engine apart, so here's everything we took off. We are going to be repainting the valve covers this burnt copper color, and we'll start with cleaning them up and getting them ready for primer. Okay, we got the valve covers back on. They're not bolted down yet, but they're on there. I'm replacing the front main seal right now, and then we'll start putting things back together. Okay, got the new seal on, and we'll be doing the water pump next. Ooh. Okay, here's the old one off. Get all this cleaned up, and then we will put the new one on. Okay, the water pump is on, so we'll now start assembling the timing belt. Got the cam gears torqued back. Water pump's changed. Tensioner has been replaced. Now we're gonna put the timing belt on. The timing belt is on, tensioner's tight. We're gonna be taking the turbo off next because there is a lot of oil leak. Hard to see, but there's oil leaking everywhere down there. So we're gonna take that off and see what's leaking. Got the turbo off, it's just covered in oil. We're gonna be replacing gaskets, the oil feed and the coolant gaskets on this, and cleaning it up. Okay, we're taking the exhaust manifold off next and replacing that gasket. Manifold all cleaned up, and we're going to be putting it back on the car, the new gasket. Turbo's all cleaned up, new gaskets on it. We're going to be putting it back on the car. Putting the timing cover back on and pretty much bolting up everything and getting her running again. It's been a little bit since I put the cappuccino back together. It's been running great, no problems. Oh, the only problem I had was forgot to tighten the coolant return line on the turbos. I had a little bit of a coolant leak. But other than that, it's been great. Runs a lot better. Feels like it has a little more power. Which probably, I'm sure there was some vacuum leaks. And I retimed the engine and stuff, so I'm sure it's running a lot better now. But that'll be it for this one. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.